Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Are you looking for an amazing and beautiful home? Well, look no more. Located in Nuevo, St. Mary, is this beautiful home that is well kept and ready for occupancy. The downstairs consists of two bedrooms, one bathroom, kitchen, living, dining, family room, and helpers' quarters. Upstairs consists of the very spacious and relaxed master suite, bathroom with jacuzzi, kitchenette, wraparound balcony with picturesque sea view, and a one-bedroom self-contained flat. This 10,886 square feet yard is well suited with breadfruit, coconut, mangoes, ackees, naseberries, and avocado pears, etc. Easy access to the beach and the nearby amenities. Guys, let's take a look at this house, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 650,000 or Jamaican $100 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.